In the journey of love, every couple aims for the center, the bullseye of connection, love itself. But sometimes, life takes us on unexpected detours. Let's explore the rings outside the center that can pull us away from the love we cherish. Meet the 3 R's: resentment, resistance, and revenge. These rings signify the distance we create when we lose touch with love. Resentment. At the first outer ring, resentment, partners keep silent about their grievances, enduring unwanted behaviors to maintain the semblance of a relationship. Communication falters, and the connection weakens. What causes resentment? What does it feel like in your body, and what is that costing you and your partner? Resistance. As resentments accumulate, couples enter the second ring, resistance. Avoidance becomes the norm. Partners not only resent each other but start resisting and reacting to undesired behaviors. The distance grows, and the connection fades. Revenge. Unchecked, resistance leads to the outermost ring, revenge. Couples become adversaries, punishing each other privately and, eventually, publicly. It's a destructive path, often culminating in a traumatic breakup. But here's the crucial question: where are you on this spectrum? Are you in the center of love, or have you unknowingly drifted towards the outer rings? How do you know where you and your partner are in the bullseye of love, or whether you're drifting away into one of the 3 R's? We invite you to take our quiz to discover where you are at in the context of your relationship. This insightful quiz will provide you with valuable insights into your relationship dynamics. It will help you understand the nuances of your relationship, gain clarity on potential pitfalls, and receive personalized recommendations for your unique journey. It's the first step towards reclaiming the love you deserve. Are you ready to rediscover the joy, connection, and passion that brought you together in the first place? Take our quiz now and pave the way for a journey back to love. Visit our website and start your journey now. Go to 3rsquiz.com to take the quiz and start to return to love today. 3rsquiz.com